Welcome to school too.
Mama Kechi, you said you need house help. Yes, surely we are going to get a house help. You want to go? Look at what you are wearing now. You want to do house help. Which kind of house help you want to do?
School too.
Let's go inside. We don't need another house hold on.
No, come and go.
We don't have a time to spend here.
I don't know what I want to do. I mean, I go take
School too.
Why you just sweat like this?
The Okada where I enter, you don't get it.
why are you here?
I see vacancy. I say you need house help.
No, we don't need street help.
No,
not street help.
I sabi work.
What is your name?
Oh, my name is Okona Bangu. Remember, she was young. I said that you do the Jokaja. You go to go greet in Tiabas.
No. House help. We don't need you. You can go.
Can you go?
We don't
Cook nothing. I cannot cook as you Jimmy Terris.
Mama Kechi.
I dey cook Eric Aiko.
We don't need this boy.
You don't go sabi cook, you don't go sabi wash plate. They're gonna come in from gate of the time, come cook, come wash plate.
See this girl, she fine. She carry round, she whine. Everything she wear designer. She carry round, she whine.
Mama, how are you? Thank you very
I don't know if it's the area. So I don't come inside to come and check if this is the one to do the house help.
Oh, yes. No, I need the house help. Yes, I need the house help. Mama Kechi, hold on. This matter. Mama Kechi.
I'll take care of it.
Mama Kechi.
What I
will remove it. Remove the sign. Remove it now.
Can you listen to me? Can you listen to me?
now? I am the one that did the interview. I said the interview.
Carry back.
Understand?
Yes, so we are
Thank
saying
you for watching our video and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
Yes, so keep watching our YouTube channel.
Welcome to
support. We appreciate so much. With so much love, with so much care, and so much kindness.
Keep watching.
Thank you.
School too.
School too.